So MLK Day for me is an opportunity to give back to the community. Me and my family, we've always practiced surrounding ourselves and uplifting and empowering those in our community and around us.
Absolutely important to volunteer because it's giving back to your community. All of us need help in our community in different organizations, and volunteering is one of those ways to give back and make a difference.
Specifically on this day because I know Dr. Martin Luther King did a lot, not just for himself, but really just more for the community, for everyone who can benefit as much as possible. And so I think that specifically on this day, it means a lot to give back to more than just yourself.